I want to talk about society, control, police. What I notice is that people are having their own inner police, which they try to govern their thoughts and their restriction on the culture that they have. And the more we are compliant to the law, the more we are better policeman. Not really policeman in a sense that you're hired as a policeman, but you are part of the culture of pushing out the ideology that the culture has bestowed upon you. And I think there's nothing wrong with that. I think we should respect laws, regulation, because that's how we have worked, how our society has built itself to regulate, to find a solution, to be together and co-create this life. But if you're not aware, if you're looking for freedom, you will doubt. You will question authority, and they don't like you to question authority. Once you question authority, now you're starting to rebel. The fact that you're questioning things, that's already a rebel for them. It's funny, no? Come to think about it. Questioning a belief, questioning the structure that has been placed upon before is not allowed. They always tell you, just respect. Why should I respect you? Who are you? Who is the society that built upon before that I have been birthed upon this earth to tell me how life should be?